Hi, in this short tutorial, I'll show you how to build a job board website in next to no time. I'm going to use WordPress, the most popular website building platform, and Hive, a lightweight, clean, and modern WordPress theme that has all the required features for building a job board website, like user registration, job posting, job search, along with the optional location search. You'll be able to manage your own job categories and, of course, job listings with custom, category-specific attributes and features. You can follow the link in the description to learn more about Hive, check its live demo, or ask developers any pre-purchase questions. Okay, so let's start with a clean WordPress installation and navigate to the WordPress dashboard first. You will need to install the Hive theme by going to the Appearance Themes page and then clicking Add New. Now click the Upload Theme button, select the theme zip file to upload, and proceed by installing the theme. Once it's successfully installed, click on the Activate link. After the theme is installed and activated, it recommends installing HivePress, a plugin that powers its job board features. Proceed by clicking the recommended plugins link and then start the installation. After all the required plugins are successfully downloaded and installed, click the return link and then proceed by activating them. That's it! After you install the Hive theme and the required plugins, you can start building your job board. There are new menu items in the WordPress dashboard where you can adjust the HivePress settings, manage categories, moderate job listings and companies, and so on. I highly recommend importing the Hive demo content to start with existing layouts and get a better understanding of how everything works. To do this, navigate to the Plugins Add New page to install the Demo Import plugin. Simply type one-click Demo Import in the search field to find it. And then proceed by clicking on the Install Now button. Once it's successfully installed, click on the Activate button. Then go to the Appearance Import Demo Data page and simply click on the Import button. After the import is successfully finished, you should get the same content and layout as on the Hive demo. Let's take a look. That's it! Now you can start building and monetizing your website by selling listing packages or memberships. Plus, you can find an article on the top 5 ways to monetize a job board website in the description below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments or follow the link in the description to learn more about Hive. Have a great day!